plan map for you for.
Okay. Let's hope I pulled Marcus. We're going to hatch Koromon. Koro into Agu. Draw. I have kind of myself. I'm going to do that the smart way. Oh man, Tempered Wire, you're dumb. We can salvage this slightly hardcast Cordramon. Here we go. I had many Searcher Agus, and I could have gotten all of these effects.
You have the Meramorph 1. You've already into Blackwall Graph 3. And then...
You should pass to me because he's a 5-play.
Oh, of course he is. Yeah.
Yeah, no, you're good, bro.
So used to seeing the 6-play blockers.
I am used to that too, but I put these in because I was tired of getting bitch smacked. Probably the best play to play the Memory Tamer instead of going to level 5. I will play Marcus.
Yeah, go 3. Digiburst, bring out a Guzzy.
Guzzy.
You go in attack T.
You gotta send me which camera you use, Gruff, because this cheap Amazon one is shit.
I'm just using an old phone that I broke. The screen's busted on it, but I just use it as a camera. It's a Note 10, I think. I'll swing, delete, Guzzy, gain all effects, restand. So gain a memory, kill any 3s but you don't have any, and then check for 13.
Just one check?
Yeah.
What's the inheriting on the oh, it's the restand?
Yeah, it's just restand.
Yeah, we'll
And again, 15, gain 1 memory.
Then I do the walk. Okay.
3 playing a Greymon.
Mr. Gilomon. Boom. That ain't it. So you can hit me 2, potentially 3 times next turn. And you can pop my little boys.
Yeah, little boys go by.
Okay, we'll I don't want to promote up and get Deathclaw only pops up to level 4, right?
Yeah.
We'll promote up. We'll play Searcher Agu. 1, 2, 3. We'll take Virus Metal Gray and bin the bottom 2. Then we will swing with the Greymon to draw a card. We'll go to Virus Metal Gray for 3. Draw a card. That is your go, my friend.
Go and tape him on. I'll swing, deleting the gear to gain a memory to activate all his effects to go up to 5. Heal your level 3 and swing at 13.
Okay. 4.
Give Organs Retaliation W2.
Okay.
And
Yeah. I will play as if you go.
I will swing 15 game on memory.
3.
Then I will Chimera put you to 3, killing your stack.
I was living in the high of a world where Chimeramon does not exist. Well, shit. I will draw.
Level 5 isn't it? Yes.
Agu.
Did his job. He can go to
What
rest now.
happened here?
Man. Nokia fetching out search for Agu. Oh, man, separate. 1, 2, 3. Greymon blocker.
Stop asking for too much.
I just want a Greymon blocker. It's nothing that much. Jeez. Yeah, you're probably gonna clean up pretty handily. I'm gonna play Tamer Fetch Ragu. And surprise, surprise, we will actually take the Nokia. Oh, wait, yeah, rules. I am putting them back in the order of Omnimon,
You're gonna make a point of this now.
Agumon, and Nokia Shiramine.
Don't want to get that strike from the judge.
Yeah, let's just do the most uncivilized card game behavior possible. As your go, my friend. Have fun wiping up with Attackmon, I assume.
Well, this isn't actually a Tactimon deck. This is just the Toolboxy purple. So he's here in here, but he's not as consistent as having him whenever I want. See if we can do anything else.
I think Demonic Disaster just wins it for you.
This doesn't run Demonic Disaster. This is a different kind of Lady Devi, draw 1, then draw 2, trash 2. Actually, Lady Devi. Guess we go with that. I'll swing Chimera at security 7k.
12.
You dead boy.
He's dead. He served his purpose, though.
Just Labra put you 3, draw 1, trash.
Alright. Let's see if I can mount a defense with kind of 4 memory. I will draw.
Trash
Promo. Well, that ain't it.
Got
No
army
Kia.
Agus.
For an Agu.
That Agu rush.
War Gray. Mono. I really need a champion. I need a champion, bro. Yeah, that's GG, man. Agumon swing.
2k.
Agumon swing.
10k.
Agumon swing.
2k.
That's game. I don't run hard removal.